So hey everyone, in this video we will see why can't I see my likes on Facebook dating, likes not showing and how to fix it. So fix one is perform a hard refresh on the app. On Android, open your phone setting, then tap on apps, select Facebook, tap force stop. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, pause in the middle of the swipe. Swipe up firmly on the Facebook app review card to close it. Second fix is clear app and cache and restore. On Android, navigate to Setting, then Apps, then Facebook, then Clear Cache. On iOS or Android, uninstall the Facebook app completely. Reinstall the latest version of the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Third fix is expand your match preference. Open the Facebook app and tap the dating icon. Access setting by tapping the gear icon. Navigate to the ideal match tab, increase the distance slider by at least 20 miles. Widen your age range by 5 years or both end. Turn off any toggle marked as deal breaker. Fourth fix is toggle the take a break feature. Open Facebook dating setting and navigate to the account section. Locate the take a break option and turn the toggle on. Wait for 60 seconds before turning the toggle back off. Your previous like and matches will remain safe during this process. Fifth fix is check and reset network configuration. Turn on airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds. Turn off airplane mode if connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data or vice versa. Check if a specific network is blocking the connection. Thanks for watching.